So next up, guys, got a nice older dozer here. This is an International TD15C. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but get a 4-way blade up front. Cutting edge looks to be good on that. The motor is an International 466 that was completely rebuilt about 1,700 hours ago. Fires right off, runs nice and strong. Consignor pretty much just changed all the fluids very recently. Maybe like the engine oil, almost all the filters. We changed the fuel filter on it, but everything else very recently serviced. It's got a good seat on it, open ROPS, but high and low on the transmission. But I'm here with him. He'll fire it up. He'll give you a nice demo. Starts up nice and strong there, guys. Real good running dozer. He said he ran it quite a bit this spring. Sounds like the hour meter shut down around 1,500 hours. Sounds like they've only put a couple hundred hours on it since then. Does have the rear drawbar hitch. So there's a little demo, guys. International TD15C blade dozer with 4-way blade. I'll run the blade a little bit here for you. I'm going to show you that operate. But runs nice and smooth. Comes from a good home, recently serviced, all those things. So go, guys, auction time at Old 20 Auctions.